Welcome to our channel. Today we are diving into an essential guide on withdrawing and linking your wallet on your GRASS Airdrop account for 2025. Whether you are a beginner or a seasoned crypto enthusiast, this step-by-step tutorial will ensure you get your tokens smoothly and securely. Step 1. Check eligibility. First, head over to the official GRASS website at grassfoundation.io. Log in and click on Check Eligibility. This will confirm if you can claim your airdrop tokens. If eligible, you will see a notification with the number of GRASS tokens available for you to reclaim. For example, if you see $26 GRASS tokens, hit the claim button to proceed. Step 2. Link your wallet. Make sure your Phantom wallet is connected. This is crucial for receiving your token seamlessly. If you encounter any issues, double check your wallet settings and ensure support GRASS. Step 3. Withdraw your tokens. Once you have claimed your GRASS tokens, it's time to withdraw them. If you're using BitTime, follow these steps. Log into your BitTime account and select withdraw. Choose IDR, Indonesian rupiah, as your withdrawal currency. Enter your bank account number and the amount you wish to withdraw. Remembering the minimum withdrawal amount is IDR 220,000 with a transaction fee of IDR 4,500. After confirming your details, the funds will be transferred to your bank account. And there you have it. With these simple steps, you can successfully withdraw and link your wallet to your GRASS Airdrop account. If you missed out the round, don't worry, there's a GRASS Season 2 airdrop coming up. Make sure to stay tuned for more update tips. If this video helped you, give us a thumbs up and subscribe for more tech tutorials. Happy trading!